Hi guys! Naanapod ta! And this is how I make my chicken afritada. Very easy and simple. Of course, meron tayong potato and carrots. Meron din tayong green peas dyan. And for the lamas, onions, garlic, and sili at salt. I-ready mo lang lahat. And meron na akong chicken breast dyan. Chicken breast yung gamit ko, white meat. And wala yung buto and skin. Yung meat lang talaga. And you can slice your carrots and potato however you want it. And yan na yung mga kailangan natin. Meron din tayong tomato sauce dyan and green peas. And of course, chicken cubes. So, I start by browning my chicken breast. Yan yung talaga yung inuuna ko. Yung i-halfway cook mo lang yung chicken. Then, you can saute your onions, garlic, and sili at sal. And I put my potato and carrots. I added some soy sauce and the tomato sauce, o diba? And some bay leaf. Tapos nilagay ko na yung chicken and the chicken cubes. And lutuin mo lang at saka ready na yung green peas. Nilagay ko na yung green peas and I added some more chicken cubes and voila! It's done! And of course, you have to put some salt and ground black pepper. And pag may tomato sauce, I don't know if you guys have seen it, but I did put some brown sugar. Yung brown sugar is to balance the yung sourness ng tomato sauce or sourness ba yun? Basta kailangan mo lang galagyan ng konting brown sugar and ito na siya. Kainan na tayo. Yummers! Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!